as you know, a lot of the headliners on the A36s, they start to sag. Even though the car is beautiful and it's low miles, it's just the age. So let's get right into it. All right, so we're gonna start by taking off the A pillars, and then we're gonna take off the B pillars, work from front to back. And at the back, there's a C pillar. So it's just removing the pieces that are holding the headliner, just like the sun visors there. Remove those and go get to this. At some point, somebody put a screw here, which shouldn't be there, so we'll take care of that as well. But here we go. Some of the tools that you're going to need the glue. This is typically what we use, the high strength 90, so that helps it hold, you know, super strong, and you're not going to be worried about it coming off because you don't want to be doing this multiple times. And you need a good set, a pair of scissors, something sharp, a vacuum cleaner, and some metal hard brushes or a razor blade because you need to get all the old glue off. So that's it. Let's get to it. Those with some two-part epoxy or some kind of glue, because this is like a fiberboard, so you want to glue that back together, and you also want to make sure that it's not protruding out. So once you put the glue on, I suggest doing it from the side that doesn't have the material on it, so that way it's not bulging out, because if you have a little bulge when you put the material on, it's not going to be nice and flat here. It doesn't do that. Alright, there you go guys, it's all completed. We're going to go ahead and reinstall in the car. The reinstall procedure is the opposite of